Hello YouTube, it's Tom again. I'm coming up with a new video. This is this is in a laundromat. We don't have enough light. We just have one center light right here. So I decided to add two recessed lights. As you can see over here, I made the hole 6-inch hole to fit one of these. And it's so easy to use, you know, and it has these, I'll show you. So you make the hole that fits the size of that, and then you tie the line to the main one. The power is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fish a line from here to there, make a connection, and then from there back to the center of the line again, and make a connection. It's a very easy project to do. Make sure you shut off the breaker. I'm comfortable working, you know, with light, but to avoid any issues, it's better off you shut off your breaker. This way you can work in peace. You don't have to worry about, you know, getting electrocuted. So these are the holes I made. Very simple. I cut a cardboard to fit the size of this. I trace it with the pencil, and then that's it. And then you cut it with the sheetrock saw. You don't even need fancy tools or anything like that. One thing I gotta state though, you gotta make sure you don't cut, you know, start cutting in the middle of a beam. So get yourself one of those beam scanners, and just soon as you scan it, just avoid it to the left or right. You know, at least 1.5 inches, maybe 2 the most, and you know, and then cut, and make sure you have no wires, no pipes, no nothing above. All right, I'll continue when I install that. I'll show you what I have done. Thank you. So this is the final result. You can see the recessed lights all installed and they're on. So now we got plenty of light in the laundromat. So this is what it looked like now. Thank you for watching.